This NightPro tutorial is for our managers and is a quick start guide on how to enter events into NightPro. These events will populate our website's event section. I will cover NightPro's other tools and features in more detail in another video. We will be using two apps to create this event: Trello, our event management app, and NightPro itself. Let's go ahead and log into Trello. If you need help using Trello, check out some of our other training videos. All of the information we need to create an event is stored here. Find our event in Trello and open the event card. The card should be located in the Ready to Post column. If the card is located somewhere else, such as this event, feel free to open the card by clicking on it anywhere, scrolling down to add a comment, and asking the question. Be ready for the website. This would be great. But the event we want to use is the flock of seagulls, and it is in the Ready to Post. I also see that the event has been checked, that the artwork is on the server, so it is ready to go. Let's continue. We have all the information we need, so let's flip back over to NightPro. We're going to click the events button here in the left, and we're going to click the big blue new event button in the top right to create a new event. We are prompted for the event name first. Let's go ahead and flip back over to our Trello board. Open the card by clicking anywhere on the card itself. Open the description area by clicking anywhere in this description area. And we are going to copy out the event title. Select the text and then right-click copy. Back to NightPro and paste this information in. Perfect. We are normally going to always use published here. If you had created the event beforehand and were not ready for the public to see it, you could use private. But for this example, we are going to stick with published. The event poster. Click on here as EventPro is asking for an image. NightPro does support drag and drop. Let's open our browser. This is going to be Explorer on Windows. It'll be Finder on Mac. Look under My Computer for a mapped network drive, or under Network, and you should see a listing called Proof Server. We'll click on Proof Server. Select the event, and then the year, and then the month. Ours is in May, and we do find that we have a Flock of Seagulls folder. We are going to drill down to the images and find the website poster. This is what we needed. Let's drag and drop this into NightPro. Upload has been completed. Next, NightPro is asking for a description. This information is also stored inside of Trello. We're going to copy and paste this out as well. You did see me use paste as plain text. This is just a tip. Paste as plain text will remove any formatting. For example, if there were bold text or like indentions from tabs or returns, this will remove it and just paste it as plain text. Useful sometimes. The event start is correct in this case. If you wanted to change it, simply click on the date and pick the date from a calendar. If this was a reoccurring event, you could tick this until box and choose the last date that you wanted this reoccurring event to be displayed on our website. This is not what we want here. If you would click on additional info where it says add YouTube link right here, you'll be able to scroll down a little further, which we do want to do. Looks like NightPro is asking for a carousel widget. Let's choose an image here. Again, I'm going to open up Finder or Explorer. Choose the correct file from the server, drag and drop it. Perfect. Next, NightPro is asking for a YouTube link. We also store this information within Trello. We're going to copy and paste. Very good. All of this information should be correct by default. I will cover how to change these things in a future video. That looks like this is it for this page. Let's scroll back up to the very top and hit continue. Inventory. Currently we are not selling any tickets or tables in NightPro, so we don't need to do anything here. Let's hit continue again in the top right hand corner. Most of these features we are not yet using, so we are going to scroll down to the show external ticket button here. Again, this information is stored in Trello under link to Eventbrite. I'm going to copy this and paste it into NightPro. Let's turn off this purchase inventory, since on the previous screen we weren't selling any inventory, so we're going to go ahead and turn this off. And that's it. The event has been created. Let's return back to the events page, and you'll see that our new event is added here. Well, that was it. As you can see, it only takes a minute or two to create a new event within NightPro. This was a quick start guide to adding events. Watch some of our other NightPro videos for more detailed information.